This is like the only spot on the. Oh, there's a big bass right here, dude. There's two. You see him right there? Oh, baby. Keep an eye out for some like black shades. Yeah, they're Maui gems. We're in a Zoom, super fluke, super salty watermelon red, courtesy of my neighbor. Dude, no way. I think I see a Mondo bass over by that tree that's like in the water. No way. No fucking way.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, let's go. Dude, there's a bass right there. There's a bass right there. There's two bass looking at it. Holy fuck, that's right in the face.
I guess it'll be an adventure.
I can't believe you just pulled up right now. Did you see my truck and you were like, no way?
I was like, this fucking bitch took my spot.
Your spot?
I'm pretty sure I was the one who came here.
We found it together.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah,
We walked like a good half mile.
I saw your Snapchat and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be alone here. And then I pulled up and I was like, fuck this.
I mean, he's like 70, dude.
Basically the only bait that caught fish on. No, right here.
Oh, there's another one?
The one where I walked the other day with the armadillo.
I didn't know that there was like a good inlet.
Yeah, it's a little spot, but.
So should I just stay here while y'all go? Oh, baby.
Oh, boy. Nice. Dink.
Little dinker.
What do you have on there?
The jig. So to switch to that jig that you got in the box,
Dragging it?
and we're popping it. Nice little fucking baby boy. Oh man, that smells good, baby. Gotta love a little baby bass.
Our ball friend.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Well, we just made it. How she look?
Playing pocket pool. Oh, she looking nice. We got the rods on the deck. Hey, can you throw my keys in there as well, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Seems like a very real possibility.
So Andrew, where are we today?
We're out here at Canyon Lake, a little river comes off called Rebecca Creek. It's down here on the boat ramp 11 side of the lake. It's a pretty nice little oasis for these big
What are we
bass.
trying to do today?
Well, we're going after some bass and some cats. And some cats. It was a fucking 2011 Skeeter.
Little 9 a.m. ice for you. We're going ice fishing today, boys. Throw it right on the edge where it transitions to the rock, maybe a little shallower. See if that helps. I was either just caught or I had a fish near.
Alright.
Let's fucking go.
I think today's gonna be a good day.
It's like third cast or some shit. On the Texas rig, it's a little baby fucking baby bass.
Alright. That's a good sign.
I have now broken in all my rods.
Oh,
Hell yeah, dude.
that's great.
Little baby.
That is a good sign, I think.
Goodbye.
So, I don't know how far down you want to float before we start floating back up that way.
However far you want.
Shit, I guess we're gonna be out here a while.
will bite me. So, 2 Smirnoff Red, White, and Berry edition. Some shit. No way. Nice. Slap me with it. Jeez. That's a nice little fish. It's a little bit better than mine.
Ah, you bitch.
I'll switch to the crankbait. Sending it all day. Heading back, gonna go check the lines.
I'm gonna go home and get out of the sun because I'm fucking red.
Yeah, it's hotter than shit. Rained a little bit. Caught a couple bass. Can't beat it. Yeah, about time to head in. Not a bad day. 1 fish each. Whatever.